Konnichiwa. Today's topic is amazing sights in Japan. In just about 5 minutes, you'll be able to talk about where things are in Japan. You learn the new expressions and practice. This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. 1. ロケーションにオブジェクトがあります。日本 Japan 桜 Cherry blossoms 日本に桜があります。There are cherry blossoms in Japan. Repeat after me. 日本に桜があります。日本に桜があります。Okay? Let's digest the sentence pattern through practice. 1. In Tokyo, Tokyo Tower exists. In Japanese? Yes, 東京に東京タワーがあります。Good start. 2. In Shizuoka, 富士山 exists. Yes, 静岡に富士山があります。Very good. 3. In Miyagi, 松島 exists. Yes, 宮城に松島があります。Let's keep going. 4. In 長野、日本アルプス exists. Yes, 長野に日本アルプスがあります。5. In 愛媛、うさぎ島 exists. 愛媛にうさぎ島があります。6. In 京都、お寺 exists. 京都にお寺があります。7. In 広島、厳島神社 exists. 広島に厳島神社があります。8. In 香川、猫島 exists. 香川に猫島があります。9. In 大分、別府温泉 exists. 大分に別府温泉があります。10. In 沖縄、マングローブ exists. 沖縄にマングローブがあります。Okay, the last one. In your town or country, what exists? Your place に something があります。Wonderful! Please write it out in the comment section below. I'm interested in your place. Okay, let's summarize the lesson. What is the sentence structure? Yes, ロケーションにオブジェクトがあります。And today's examples were famous sightseeing spots in various areas. Great start! I'm very happy to have you in my lesson. Watch this video until you can say all smooth. Then move on to the practice video. You'll start speaking more naturally. You know, practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. In the next lesson, you'll learn theories about people and animals. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.